Hi, thanks for watching. In this video I'll be showing you how to get your PHLster Enigma into your Papoose. And in this particular instance I'll be working with the Express, but the same method applies whether it's standard or light bearing Enigma as well. The Papoose no longer includes the buckle sleeve. That component used to go over the flap that was on the padded buckle capture in the first generation Enigma. What we're going to start with is sizing the belt sleeve to the belt. So what we'll want to do for that is put the Velcro strip next to the faceplate and take it down next to the belt to where your waist circumference ends, and the way that'll likely look is fold lines from the male side of the fidlock somewhere on the belt. So what you'll do there is use scissors or a knife or whatever. If you want to leave it a little longer, you can then fold the belt sleeve back, and that'll leave you room for waist size fluctuation, but that is a completely personal choice. What we're going to do next is put the pistol pouch and belt sleeve together. The way we'll do that is for right-handed use. In this instance, we'll peel back one side of the pistol pouch, stuff the belt sleeve Velcro through that hole, and feed it into the Velcro sandwich. Close that back, fold the pistol pouch right side out again, and now we're ready to put the belt into the belt sleeve. Pretty convenient way to do that is by using a thin kitchen utensil handle. You'll pull on the belt while pushing on the kitchen utensil and simply feed that into the belt sleeve. And here you can see challenges that will arise. One way to make it a little easier can be to rubber band it. My preferred method is using a splicing puller, however. I have a separate video showing how I made this out of a coat hanger. Essentially, snip the ends, straighten out the bends at the shoulders, use a pair of pliers to make your own bend in the center, and give yourself a good handle to pull on. What we're going to do here is feed the entire belt sleeve. Here I'm pushing against my chest to get the whole thing on the puller. Done with that. And now we'll want the belt to be flat and unkinked. This is the top, and here's the top of the Papoose. We will feed the belt between the wires. The further down you go, the easier it's going to be to feed. It's going to hook into the end, and simply thread that, pulling off camera, but pull that through. And when you get to the tri-glide, what we'll do here is, instead of feeding the entire wide end of the tri-glide into the belt sleeve, we'll angle the tri-glide and lead with an edge instead of an entire side. So I've angled it and I'm pulling. It's easier to do that way. There we go. Now we're ready to feed the leg leash into the leg leash slot. Set that buckle aside for now. Feed the buckle and faceplate through the other side, and then we'll take the puller off. This can live with laundry or your holster box or wherever, and then feed the belt back through the buckle, and that is it.